Hey everybody, welcome back. So it is my time of the month again. So we got our Battlebox subscription box in the mail the other day, so let's go ahead and see what we get in there. So for individuals who are not familiar with Battlebox, it is a subscription box service mainly geared towards survival or outdoor type of equipment. You subscribe to their boxes and then each month they send you a box determined by what tier level that you subscribe to. And when we take a look at it, there is a few different levels. You have the basic box, the advanced box, the pro box, and the pro plus box. And the way that it works is whatever tier that you purchase, you get that tier and everything below that tier. So I have the pro box. The pro plus box is kind of like a knife of the month club, and I can only get so many knives. But what we'll do is we'll go through what is in the boxes, and I'll kind of put what the MSRP or what best price I find it for. So that way at the end you can see how much the value of the box is versus what the cost of the box is. When it comes to the cost of the box, I just put a link for Battlebox in the description because the prices could change, and I want to make sure that you're getting the actual current price for those situations. So starting off in the basic box, we have the Grail X Earthwell Camp Pint 16 ounce. So it is just that. It's a cup that is 16 ounces. It doesn't feel insulated really, just kind of feels like a metal cup. And it has this silicone band that you can put in there so that the cup kind of has a handle. Not sure when filled up with liquid how, I don't think you can manipulate it with just that nub, because as you can see it's a little bit flimsy. And again, since it's not like double wall insulated or anything, I assume that cup's probably going to get kind of warm if you got some hot water in there. I would kind of consider this kind of like a promo gift that the company might give out versus some serious gear. All right, moving along, then we have the Total Outdoorsman 10th Anniversary Edition by Field & Stream. So basically it looks like we have a survival type manual. Let's see what kind of stuff they have in here. So just looking at it, so they kind of discuss some things around camping and how you can make a camp coffee cup. And of course I'm immature and I see it gives you informations of how to make a Dutch oven chicken quesadilla pie, and if I hear the word Dutch oven, that's not something that I want to put in my mouth. So we got a section on camping that goes over a bunch of stuff. Then we get into fishing, which looks like it tells you about how to make some certain knots, how to catch baits, tying cleat hitches. Then we got hunting, talks about ways to aim, how to haul your kill out of the woods, some recipes, some information about different animals that you might hunt, and then some survival techniques. So yeah, a little bit of everything. Pretty thick size book there. Probably a good bathroom read, although I don't think anybody reads in the bathroom anymore. They just play on their phones. All right, moving right along, we got the Opinel number 8 carbon steel folding knife. So I believe this is the same knife that I received in a box before. Yeah, it looks like the same concept, just a different color. So the one that I had before is green and it had a little leather holster. But the blade pops out and then you can twist the metal collar so that way it acts as a lock on the knife. But it's a pretty decent knife. Nice wooden handle. Definitely a good little pocket knife to keep around. Okay, so that was it for the basic box. You had that cup, the manual, and that pocket knife. Moving into the advanced box, we have a tiny repeller by Flexsteel Gear. All right, so opening that up, we've got a charging cable, a instruction manual, And that charges by a USB-C. It does have a 1/4-inch mount on the bottom and a D-ring on the top to hang it from your gear. So, okay, so first things first, it is kind of a camp light with a few different intensities. And I guess a slow strobe light in case you want to get that party started. And then on the side, there is some little doors here. And that allows you to slide some discs in there to work your mosquito repellent. Yeah, no, I didn't get any discs in there. Let me see if the book says it's supposed to have any. Okay, so in the book it says, due to some weird EPA regulations, the repellent pads are not in the box for your FlexTail. So you'll scan the QR code and it'll direct you to FlexTail to order your 10 repellent pads for no charge. So that's why they weren't in the box, but they are giving you 10 pads with that. So also it is magnetic, so you can attach it to something metal and let that repellent come out and protect you from the bloodsuckers. Unfortunately, it's just the mosquito bloodsuckers and not your family. All right, so that was everything in the advanced box, and now the pro box, we have the Cola Tree duffel bag. So the overall sizes of this bag is 24 by 13 by 21 inches. It weighs 2 pounds. The capacity is 2 cubic feet. It will fit in overhead compartments. U-shaped zipper that runs the length of the bag. Backpack straps are removable. Nylon webbing handles, exterior pocket, high contrast liner for easy visibility, and ballistic nylon with TPU waterproof coating. All right, so we drop a few of those things on the floor. Here is the overall width of the bag. Got some decent zippers. Opens up as such. That's the inside of your bag. Then let's see how these shoulder straps snap in here. So up at the top of the bag you have these 2 loops. We'll just slide that in, lock it down, and then down at the bottom we have a clip, and we can do the same thing with the other side, and then you can wear it as a backpack. So it looks like there's another strap here, and basically you can clip it in on the sides and then carry it as a duffel also. So multi different uses for there. Feels like a decent quality as far as it holding up to the elements or the ruggedness, so get on that. Lastly, in the Pro Plus box we have the Crowell competition knife, and that's what it looks like there. And to give you the information on it, the handle is G10, blade is 5CR stainless steel, the sheath is made out of leather. Overall length is 14.5 inches, with the blade length being 10 inches, and it weighs 1 pound and 2.8 ounces. All right, so that was the quick down and dirty of the Pro Box from Battlbox. If you have any questions about what was in this box, please put that down in the comment section below. Also, let me know if there's anything in particular that you really like or dislike in this set. And like I said, here or somewhere is going to be the total price of everything that I see in this box. And you can see if that box is of value to you. Other than that, that's going to do it. We'll see you next time. Bye.